Hi everyone. There's going to be new research into curing genetic diseases. The European Space Agency stops its search for Philae, and Dippy the dinosaur is going to be replaced with a blue whale. This is your weekly science news with me, the UKAstroNut. The pharmaceutical company Astrazeneca announced this week that it's going to be doing a lot more research into curing genetic diseases. Using a technique named CRISPR, scientists can remove certain genes from our DNA, and these are genes that are associated with illnesses and diseases. And once removed, scientists can hopefully find treatment and medication towards these illnesses. Now, up until now, it's been a bit of an expensive and difficult process to do, but using this new technique of CRISPR, scientists think they can do it much easier and much cheaper, and hopefully cure many genetic diseases in the future. The European Space Agency announced this week that it's going to stop trying to search for the lander Philae on the comet 67P. The small lander, which is part of the Rosetta mission, landed on the comet last year, but actually bounced off the surface and landed in a strange place, and we don't know where it is. Now, scientists at the European Space Agency have been trying to search all the images taken by Rosetta to try and find the lander, so we can know better what kind of situation it's in. The problem is at the moment is that it has solar panels, Philae, and this is how it's getting its power. But the problem is it seems to be stuck behind a ridge, which means it's not getting enough sunlight. But scientists hope as the comet gets even closer to the sun in the next coming months, that the Philae is going to be able to get a lot more sunlight, and so it's going to have a lot more power and it can carry on doing science. But it doesn't matter, because in the meantime Rosetta is still doing lots of science on the comet and studying in lots of ways, and there's lots of data for us to analyse on the comet 67P. So finally, on a slightly lighter note, the London Natural History Museum is set to replace the model of the Diplodocus dinosaur with that of a blue whale. Dippy the dinosaur has been sitting in the entrance hall for the London Natural History Museum for 35 years now, but it's set to be replaced with a real skeleton of a blue whale that was beached in England in the 1800s. Now, there's been a bit of an uproar about it as people seem to love Dippy the Diplodocus, but the London Natural History Museum claimed that the reason they're changing it is because the actual skeleton of the blue whale is a real skeleton, whereas that of the Diplodocus is just a plaster cast. And also, we know a lot about the blue whale that was beached. We know how it died, we know a bit about its life, whereas we don't know much about the skeleton of the Diplodocus. And this is the London Natural History Museum, it seems better to actually have a real skeleton than a fake one. However, there are a lot of petitions and a lot of fake Twitter accounts and things to try and save Dippy the Diplodocus. So why not leave a comment at the bottom of this video and tell me what you think about the whole thing. So that was your weekly science news. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the rest of my channel, leave some comments at the bottom of the video. Check me out on Twitter at UKAstroNut. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon.